A good quality webcam's become a must-have tool over the last 2 years. Without them, business meetings would have been a lot more confusing and, let's face it, boring. But hackers are finding new ways to spy on us using our own cameras. They can use rogue websites and apps to gain access. Fortunately, you can protect yourself easily and at zero cost. Start with your browser. Go to Privacy and Security in your browser settings. Find Camera and make sure it's switched to Deny Websites Access by default. Then you can allow specific websites access to your camera one at a time. Next, make sure that none of your applications are using your camera without your permission. Go to your privacy settings on your computer, select Camera, and change the permissions for the apps you don't want to have access. You can do the same with your phone too. If you're still worried, you have the option to disable your webcam completely. Simply go to Device Manager, select the camera, and then disable. Though we're sure video calls will be less exciting if everyone did this.